Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Today we need to find out here the e-commerce app UI inside the scratch files and we need to integrate inside the all screen into the Flutter apps. This UI designs by the Cappy Creativities. This design are the designs and we need to convert this all screen into the Flutter UI. First of all, need to introduction the screens one by one screens, and then after we need to create here today onboarding screen. This is the today we need to create here the this onboarding screens, and this screen are the sign up screen. Inside we need to use here some contents to get for the users and to save into the database. Then after we need to up screen it here availables and to see these details, and after we need to start here the home screen. Inside we need to list out here the related type and need to display here the home screen UI, and then after is the detail screen. Inside the you like this data, and then after we need to create here this home screen. Inside we need to write down here the look like the UI need to similar to show here, and this the three parts or screen inside the convert into one home screens. Then after this is the search tabs. Inside need to find out the products here and to list out the category. Then after this is the search pop-up. Inside we need to searching fast and easy, and here the process of the UI, the add to carts UI and checkout UI is available. Checkout inside the step one by one information with two fields users, and to this is the checkout process here, and my order screens here available and list out here the place order, delivery, shipping units, and shipping delivery status need to display here. And this is the my order screens. Inside need to pending orders and past orders need to display here, and this is the app account tab UI. Inside we need to set here this UI. We need to set here the my orders cards details. This is the tab for here, and add grip cards UI, add payment screens, credit cards, debit card screens, and need to product detail screens after the product video UI, and need to set here the ratings, descriptions, and some product related information to show here. And here the filter UI need to available here, and here the grip cards and voucher UI, and this is the gift cards and vouchers, and save items need to user can the favorites, save here the all items list here. Then after my detail screens inside setting, and my order you not get any orders user place, then to display this UI. After need to new in products UI and notifications settings here, and redefines here the range colors, and this is the filter UI. This is the price filters. This is the checkout UI or the with payment UI, and this is the setting screen available here. And one by one need to develop this all screen into Flutters. I will give the everyday 2 video. One video are the previous design are developed. Inside need to convert the backends and node API we need to create and calls into every day evening we need to give this new video. After we need to every day morning we need to give here this eBay e-commerce app UI designs need to set here and give you a one by one need to create here. Let's start need to create already the projects and need to explain how to this here. First of all, we need to create here the basic Flutter projects. Inside we need to some create here the assets folders. Inside we need to create here the fonts folders and to put here the fonts. Then after we need to create here the asset folder inside the image folders and need to put here some images for the create by designs and to set here. After we need to create here the lib, inside need to create here the common class, common folders. Inside need to create here the commonly used util class need to implement here. Right, like the color extensions, app related and API callings. This we need to define here. Then after this is common widgets, and we need to create one time and use multiple times to put here the UI. Inside need to create here the common widgets. After need to create here the view, inside need to create here the home folders, main tab and onboarding folders need to create. Inside need to create here the onboarding view and stateful widgets. Then after need to set here the enable set UI and need to disable the here the status bars. So if you need status bar, so you can uncomment these lines and you can show here the status bar. And now need to go inside the menu and need to configure here the some. First of all, need to set here the title eBay e-commerce, and then need to debug banners need to set false. After need to set here the themes and fonts family need to set, and up to set here the primary text color. Need to check here and go inside here definitions and to define here these primary colors after the title text colors, after primary text colors, secondary text colors and white colors need to set. If you change this theme, you can change the here this value and you can easy to change the all app themes. That's why I need to create here the color extension class, t colors class need to develop here. And we need to configure here the onboarding view. Let's start with to create first of all the onboarding screen. We need to develop. First of all, we need to go inside the onboarding screen UI, and now need to write down here the body and to write down here the stack to develop your stack and to create here the children's. First of all, we need to define here the page view variables. First of all, select page set by default as a 0. Write down here page view page controllers. Write down here the controllers and here the page control. And now need to set here the controller, add listener, now need to set here the select page, set here the write down here the controller initialize by default need to set here to round up the option bar to set this set. Now need to create here the page here. Now need to create this page area. First of all, need to define here the image, and after titles and subtitles need to set for the 3 page UI need to create the area. Now need to integrate one by one, so need to set here the UI. First of all, need to develop the this UI. We need to develop here onboarding screen. First of all, need to create here the write down save it. Now need to declare here, and now need to create here page view because Now need to some counts you need to set here. Length, checked. Get here page array index of the value here. Right down here have optionals. Now need to turn here. And here first of all. Yeah. Contact set here. Now need to containers. Set here. Yeah, width. And need to set the bouncing physics need to set it. One more property here the controllers. That are the controllers where you start the now need to create here the padding set metric horizontal vertical 30. After we to get here the childs to add down column children. Now need to create here edge first. Get the sets. Get the jumps. Set as a string. Now need to give here the width. You need to set here the 90%. Value. Now need to save this. Get this UI. And now need to exact set of this UI. Need to give here the height. Set here options. Now need to spacers. This value. And now need to create here the titles. Need to set here titles all state titles to string. Now need to set here the styles. Need to give set here the colors. Need to primary title import first of all this color extensions here, and now need to title text here. Now need to set here the font size, set here the anti regulars. Medium need to 500. Now need to this views. Then after need to give here the height space, the height space pins need to now need to this UI. And need as a center. Now need to check here size and buttons. Here secondary text titles here. Now need to see here. Now need to select here. Now need to give here some more space to set as the width. Down here. And now this where the get here, and now need to create here the page indicators. Need to set here. First of all need to get here space. Then after we row children's. First of all need to use here this page area, because we need to create here the dynamic page. That's why I need to this area and to create here the map. Write down here the object. Now need to note in and here tenor. Now need to first of all find out the index, current page index. SP object. Now need to set here. Now need to get here the box decorations. Page. And need to to secondary text color to set here, and now need to get here the border radius. Border radius circular. Now need to type and width first, and now need to get here the margins. This insert symmetric and horizontal we need to give here for, and add down here the main axis size minimum. Now need to set here some space between, need to set here, and we need to put here the vegetables. Here and now need to create here the common buttons we need to develop here. First of all, we need to the else one widget inside need to text to create here the stateless widgets. And we need to put here first of all to material dependencies, and now need to material and need to set here. First of all, need to property final title. After void rollback. Now need to pass this dot titles right. Now need to get the text. Need to set this title here, and then after need to give here the styles need to go inside the onboarding screens and these titles. Now need to go inside the round buttons and to styles set here. We need to import here the color extensions here. Set here the white color. Get the title property unit set here. And we to set here the font size to 16 regulars need to set here. Now need to now need to the colors that is color primary, the shape rectangle borders and to the radius here. The radius circulars need set here. Now need to configure this button inside here screens. Put this Write down here the on event. And now need to go inside your definitions and give your thumb with back speed and to right. And now need to go inside first of all onboardings and now need to increase this height first of all, so need to set here. And now this UI are the good here display. And we need to start this was not update here the page check. Now working this indicators working goods because we need to define here the units, and after need to write these codes, that's why I need to not working here. Now need to create here the sign up UI. Need to develop first of all, so need to check here UI and create here the sign up. This is the sign up UI. One by one need to develop this UI and to create here. Starts need to go inside first of all. Write down here the new screens, need to go inside, create here the view inside the new folders. Write down here login and need to create inside new files. Now need to create here the stateful widgets. Write down sign up. Now need to put here material dependency, and now need to create here the scaffold. Write down here parts. Set here. We need to go inside the onboarding screens and we need to copy here the styles first of all. Styles. Import these color extensions. Set here primary text. And now need to set here the center titles. Need to set here and to write down here the heading by button. Events. Write down here the navigator. Now need to write down here the image set and give here the back icons with this path and now need to and height, so that here the 20. Now need to Now need to configure this UI inside here the navigations. First of all, go inside the onboarding screens and need to write down here on press event get started buttons. Write down here the navigator. Push. Write down here the material routes and sign. Semicolon. And we to first of all the create. Need to set here the back. Need to set here. Now need to inside need to set here. And now need to acquisition value need to acquisition value. Now display goods this UI. Now goods this UI and to set here the items. The font weight. $500. Now display goods this sign up UI. Small. Now need to create here the this text field, common text field need to develop here first of all. Need on here. To go inside here to write down text field. Now need to create here the get list. Yes. Write down round text field. Put here the other extensions. Material dependency. Now need to first of all the call. Set here which is minimum size in, and after with cross axis alignment as a chart. After we to create the children's, first of all we to set here the titles for the text fields. Go inside the layers and copy this text. Go inside text fields and to add down here color extensions and add down titles and to define here some property string title. Turn to the shoulder int and after we to add here text editing controller. Controls not this. Now need to Now people need to define this one. Text. Dot. Now need to check here the size. We need to put in. And now need to give some white space. Need to set here. Now need to create here the container. Here the box decorations. Right down here. And set here. City. Now need to submit. Now need to set here the border radius. Right down here. Circular tree. Now need to difference screen. Control. Alpha. Decoration options. Borders. And now need to in text. Now need to tiles. Need to copy this tiles and put here. Now need to save this. Add one more property. Type. Now need to this property. What's now need to pass this value here, and now need to set the sign up and to the board. Write down the single Write down here safely. Then after me to create here the column. Children. Now need to get the round text field. Write down here the email address. That here the address. Now need to save this here. And now need to go inside and to fix this issue and to give it the content padding. So need to write down here and to side. And now need to send padding. Set metric verticals set here. And then after me to set here and now need to pass here dot comma, and we need to push the here and options. And now need to check that's not equal, it's blank text. Now need to check here the font size. We need that here the 12. Now need to see here text and to and here's and to go inside the signups and to get first of all stay now need to copy this here and write down here the after me to this one. Now need to set here else controller html. Now need to space text here. Now need to cheers and write down here the ht need to set here screen prototype. Now need to give some height space. Set here. See here. First of all, to go inside the options and to titles title. Now need to cheers and update this UI. And now need to go inside the sign up to pull text field. Yep. Now need to cheers and Stephen. Password. Option. Right down here at the end. And to write down your subtitles. More. And after me to create here text fields, we need to develop first definitions to copy this UI. Now need to and write down here. Now need to get here and text fields. So need to set here. Text. See. Now need to set subtitles. Page. Now need to cheers and need to see the children's. Now need to first of all need to create here the drop downs for the date time, but month here we need to get inside the drop downs. First of all need to write down here the common widgets inside. Need to get new files. Now need to create here the widgets. Need to write down here drop down. Material dependency imports here, and now need to create here some property finals string titles. No need to titles here in text. Now to and after we click here the now need to create here the add down here containers text will need here here no need to put this here objects here, and now need to create here the drop down. First of all down here drop down, and to set here the event need to pass here change event add down here, and now need to set here the items need value. Yep, the here this text. Now need to value and that bracket colors. Now need to get the extension, and after we to set here the hint text need to this folder, second need to set here, and after we to get the value. Now need to set here the select, and after we to set once now, and we to move these underlines. First of all need to write down here yes, write down here drop down underline, and to get these drop downs inside need first of all need to set here the some value. First of all need to give here the day of it is years, and to here the text fields go inside the signups and to write down here here here, and now need to here write down the month here, And now need to give here some property. Write down the copy this here and now need to set here and now need to develop here the drop down. Here, here's now need to set here change state. First of all, we need to dd so and now need to value array array. Now need to select to solder object. Now need to save this here and some errors. Now need to string start one working need to double change that. Write down the now need to sears and write down here now need to save this and load this UI. Sears start again. Now not get any errors. We need now need to go inside first of all setup view. We need the start this UI, check it the issue. Oops. Now need to fix here. First of all, need to go inside the drop downs. Oops. Expand property need to use here. Now need to save this here and now need to create add down. Now need to save this here. Now need to get here and to get the space. Set here the width here. And now need to copy this here and to paste here. Write down here. Here I need to now to copy this here. Now need to go inside the drop downs and need to set here some headings. We need to just insert only and write down here left. And now this what the drop down are the creators and to test here working here. And now need to check here the UIs and now need to set here context. And now need to create here the radio buttons. We need to develop this radio buttons UI to develop here. First of all, we need to create here the first of all go inside the sign up view and we need to copy first of all here. Now need to paste here this error. Now need to get here inner into decorations. Need to set here the box decorations. You need to write down here the colors right. Then after we do that here border radius. Then after we to create here the box shadow. Shadow. The colors black 26 we need to set here. values. And now need to give here the blur radius. We need to set here the force. Set here set. I need to now need to create here the containers. Need to write down here. So that's now need to expand. Now need to and now need to give here the minimums. We need to set here this size. Need to now need to get here but write down on tab event. To set here the image sets. Upon it to set here the flag. And where where by default to set here now to copy here. To go inside you need to set here the titles where equal. Now need to set here the set here the T. Now need to set here the titles radio buttons on copy related path. Pop. Now need to set here the text. Need to set here copy the white space. Which space we need to give here. Now need to create here the titles. Need to set here. Write down here the women's wear. The prime. Now need to here's and check here's and now need to set here some padding. Set cement vertical so need to ends and horizontal need to give here the 20. And now need to check here size unit distance and property date squares unit setting. Now need to copy this expanded and to set here true, and after we to give the answer need to set here need now need this UI at the to change these titles optionally. And now need to get the hide space, so need to copy this and here submit to button. That here the titles on press event, right down, save this here, copy this again and get here. Now need to step on it to set here text titles need to here for success alignment. I'm going to set these titles here and to check here things. Down here here and to set and to and now need to expand and axis alignment to need to get here space between I need to set this text here here's property people need to set here the discount top and after exclusive turn it to and now need to set here the cross axis alignment that as a start. Now need to copy the checkbox. Checked path and here, and now need to set here discount services, and now need to set here the font size 16 regulars, our text discount sites. Now need to copy this row titles first of all, discount sales, and now need to so now need to here save this, and now need to create here the exclusive, now need to CUI and to write down here the partners, cheers, save this here. Now need to copy this to now need to let's need to and now need to get here those icons set with an height T and to now now need to go close relative path and here close, and now need to text will now need to and here its value is this need is this the rich text need to set here to now need to change this text here and here and options signed to import these tab features, and now need to set here text colors need to set here policy. Now need to save this here well. Now need to UI padding. First of all need to set here the verticals and now need to increase these heights. First of all need to set here. Okay, now this sign up screen are the done this UI, and if you like this video please give the thumbs up. If you're new user so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get the every awesome video contents early get here. If you everyone have a nice day and goodbye and take care.